Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Luther. This week, I built this record holder box, and I tried some fancy joinery. Let's check it out. So even with this dovetail machine jig thing, my dovetails did not come out all that great. No matter, I'm just going to power carve this thing down, but leave the dovetails to the professionals, I guess, and maybe I'll just keep working on doing that and possibly doing more dovetails in the future. But for now, these don't look great. That was the first time. It's the first time for everything. Yeah, I think it's gonna be good. It's gonna be a new career. It's gonna be awesome. Oh, hey, I'm just sitting here about to start my DJ career with this record box you guys just watched me build, trying to do some fancy joinery. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you'll get a notification every time I take another item and flip it into something awesome. So I'm gonna start spinning some tunes. You guys go out, have a great day, try and make something awesome. All right, let's see here. I got one thing in mind. Kids are gonna love it. Neil and Phil, they don't even know. Get this spun up. Oh yeah. That's fire right there. That's lit. Is that how you say it?
Yeah, lit. L-I-T.
Lit. Lit. It's lit.
Believing will help you.